New at 10, a joint report from two House committees claims the Food and Drug Administration's process for approving a controversial Alzheimer's drug was questionable. Now, House lawmakers are hoping the findings are a wake-up call for the FDA to reform its practices.
The FDA and Aduhelm manufacturer Biogen inappropriately collaborated and failed to follow the agency's process, according to a joint report from the Energy and Commerce and Oversight Reform panels. Internal documents show agency staff and Biogen held more than 100 meetings in a one-year period without properly keeping records. Biogen then worked with FDA staff on a joint briefing document ahead of a key agency advisory panel meeting in November 2020. None of the 11 members of the committee recommended approval for the drug, but the agency granted it accelerated approval in June 2021. It also gave the drug an unexpectedly broad label, saying it could be used on all Alzheimer's patients, regardless of severity, even though it had been tested only on people with early and mild symptoms of the disease. Another issue mentioned in the report, the price tag of $56,000 a year. Documents provided to the House committees show Biogen fully expected the high price would spur pushback from providers and patients alike. Back in January, the drug maker slashed the price in half after only bringing in $3 million in 2021.
Documents show the FDA did conduct its own internal investigation more than a year ago, but concluded there was no evidence that any actions taken before the drug's approval were inappropriate.